Okay. Good day. I am from Exil Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Global Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm a healthy mom.
If you feel unwell but you stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Miss Janet S. San Diego, 41 years old, from Caloocan City, Philippines, married. I have three beautiful daughters, age 20, age 6, and I have marriage. My work of my husband is a tricycle driver. That's why I will go working abroad because of my husbands. I help husband to financially of my three kids work as a student, ma'am.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have your passport?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
have.
When is your birthday?
October 23, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 50 kilos.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Roman Catholic. What about your
Yes.
educational background?
I'm a Bachelor of Science, major in nursing, undergraduate because of my parents' financially problem.
Okay, so how many years you only study in university?
Only 1 year, mom.
1 year. Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Your husband also agreed that you will going to work here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is also died when I was young, and my mother also is 62 years old. Then she is a farmer,
Okay,
and
so
I'm a eldest in my family, and I have one daughter.
how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brother and only one
Sister.
sister.
You are the only girl in the family, in your sibling.
I'm a Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being an OFW or working as a domestic helper is not new for you, right? Knowing that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
also got your working experience in other countries. So you already know what are those things that the employer wanted you as a domestic helper, right? You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Qatar and Hong Kong is quite different. Okay? You may culture shock later once you come to work here, but you need to get ready yourself, fasten your seat belt, because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Hong Kong or in Qatar. Yeah? So it was stated here in your working experience that you have a working experience in Qatar way back 2021 to 2022. You work only for 1 year. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is that so? Why you terminate your contract?
Yeah, I tell my employer, ma'am, because I have a family problem, emergency.
Emergency. So what are your duties to your previous employment in Qatar?
In Qatar, I work only as a cleaner. Clean the 5 rooms and 3 toilets and the dining table,
So you
dining
are a
area.
cleaner and not a stay inmate.
No, ma'am, I'm a domestic helper
Okay.
because my employers she hire a cook.
Oh, so
Not
you
I'm
so
not a
meaning
cooking.
So you meaning you do the house chores, laundry, and
I
ironing?
do, yeah, washing, cleaning, ironing,
Did
like
you
that,
take care
ma'am.
some any children or any elderly inside the house?
My first employer in Qatar, she have four children. The youngest is also 19 years old, is studying as a lawyer. That's why all of my employer kids have a working. That's why I prepare only the foods.
Okay.
Sometimes then I iron the abaya like that, ma'am, and cleaning all the rooms.
Okay. So way back 2023 to 2024, you worked in Hong Kong for 1 year, correct?
Yes, 1 year and 2 months, madam.
1 year and 2 months. Why you didn't finish your 2 years contract?
Because my employer's mom is going in the Australia.
Also, so you were the so they send you back in the Philippines, is it? But you finish your contract with them.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So your employer in Hong Kong migrate in Australia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me what are your duties to your previous employment in Hong Kong?
I serve one couple and three kids aged at 8, 6, and 4. I'll do care the three kids and then sending at the school. Sometimes it's the school bus. Then I go in the market to buy the four types of the cook and the dinner only, ma'am.
Okay.
Because in the whole day only me at the house, I do whole the cleaning of the house, three rooms and two toilets and etc. Before I
Okay.
prepare the dinner, before I send I pick up send back in the employer's children, madam.
Okay. So you take your children, you do the house chores, you cook, you do laundry and ironing, correct?
Yeah, washing, ironing, all of
Okay.
that, ma'am.
So, are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yeah, I prefer baby, madam, because baby sometimes go in the outside. That's
Yes.
why I'm not
So, are you
avoiding.
okay to take your children also?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yeah,
Can you
it's
cook?
okay for me.
It's okay, yeah.
Yeah, I cook,
So, you
ma'am.
can cook
No
Chinese
problem.
food?
I cook Chinese food.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
It's okay for me.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
No, it's okay. It's just a matter that you are honest that you don't want to take care a pet. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Cat, it's okay, ma'am. But dog, no.
it's okay. Cat
I'm
is okay.
afraid.
It's
I
okay.
afraid the dog,
So as
ma'am.
long as you are not okay, then you let us know. Okay? So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating a contract, you know that there will be a consequences also that you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. As nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, you are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you must know also what are those consequences once you terminate your contract. Nobody forced you to come and work here, and we don't force you to come and work here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during night time only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Okay? You will going to stay
Okay,
only
ma'am.
inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we want to be specific in our initial interview so that you won't give us problem and we don't want problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia. Yeah? As long
Yes,
as you
ma'am.
agree, we don't have problem. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Always remind
I'm update,
yourself
ma'am.
that in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow
Yeah.
the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you are the one working inside the premises for 2 years. You will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so one more thing. How do you fight your homesickness?
I will do house chore, ma'am. That's why I cannot homesickness.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I, my homesickness, ma'am,
Yes,
or
so
home.
you mean you will focus on doing the house chores or you will just
Yeah.
focus on cleaning to at
Yeah,
least
yeah,
your
yeah, yeah, ma'am. That's
homesickness.
why. Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Jeanette. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Excel agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thank
so
you
much
so
and have a
much.
good day.